Welcome back. I'll be showing you how to use flaxseed milk to deep condition the hair and improve hair growth. To make this flaxseed milk hair conditioner, I'll be making use of flaxseed. So I'm going to add the flaxseed into the pot. When I'm done adding the flaxseed, I'll be adding about 2 cups of water. Then I'll allow it to boil. While the flaxseed gel is boiling, stir from time to time, and when you notice the slimy consistency, you can turn off the heat. While still hot, I will quickly use the sieve to sieve to get the gel. The flaxseed gel will thicken when it cools down. So when I'm done sieving, I will set aside the gel to cool down. Then I'm going to pour in the flaxseed gel into a blender. You can add half cup of water for easy blending. So when I'm done adding the water, I will cover the blender and blend until smooth. So when I'm done blending, I'll be using chiffon cloth to sieve to get the flaxseed milk. Then squeeze as much as you can to get the flaxseed milk. So when I'm done squeezing, you can notice that the flaxseed milk is lighter. I will leave it to cool down so that it can thicken. After about 5 minutes, you can notice that the flaxseed milk has thickened. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Jamaica black castor seed oil. The Jamaica castor seed oil will help to strengthen, nourish and replenish the hair. Then I will mix to combine. Flaxseed milk is a good conditioner for hair growth because it contains a good amount of vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acid, which will help to protect the hair against damage and breakage. I will pour it on a clean washed hair, making sure that it touches every part of my hair, massage properly to touch the scalp, then cover it with shower cap and leave to sit for about 10 minutes or more. Then you can rinse out with just water. The flaxseed milk is so good for promoting hair growth because it's going to condition your hair. It will help to soften the hair, moisturize the hair, and also help to detangle the hair and reduce breakage. So you can see, using the flaxseed milk will help to promote healthy scalp and slow down hair breakage. I hope that this video is helpful.